Hey folks, this time I'm trying Tier 9 German cruiser Manteuffel. Manteuffel? Yeah, sorry if I'm butchering that name. Um, I did make a video with Prince Adalbert that I kind of failed, didn't really um, do that ship justice, I think. So hopefully this video with Tier 9 will go better, but we'll see. This ship solely a mid to close range cruiser. You do have uh, more focus on your secondaries. You have pretty decent torpedoes. You don't really have any good main guns. You do have high AP damage, but you only like have 6 of them. So plus the dispersion, I think is quite high. So I mean, you can do 10,500 maximum damage with AP shells. You have a long reload. Um, Dispersion, there we go, 196 meters. Actually, not sure exactly if that's good or bad, but it does feel quite high. Secondaries in automatic, you have 12 kilometers, and your concealment is 11.7. So as soon as you get spotted, if you can see the enemy, you will be able to use your secondaries at all times. In a perfect game, you do have a destroyer who can smoke you, and you're in range with your secondaries, and you just can stay in your smoke, not use your main guns, just stay there, use the automatic secondaries, and just blast them. Fun, eh? But yeah, it works. So that's what Wargaming wants us to use. So I guess we have to use them and exploit that. Well, not exploit, but you understand. Right. So equipment-wise, I have tried this ship a couple of times, so you know. As I said, focusing on secondaries. Other than that, pretty standard. Um, you do have your repair thingy with set amount of uses. Also, this is one thing about this line uh, is that it's does take a lot of damage from fire. I think fire lasts for like 1 minute. So yeah. You do have your heal and hydro, which is 6 kilometers, which is really good. As for commander skills, regular ones with adrenaline rush and concealment experts. Do have the secondary battery firing range, of course, which kind of must have. Top grade gunner also really valid, and demolition expert, of course. I think I will get 7 points. So I'm gonna have to not choose one of these. I'm not exactly sure which one I will skip. Maybe the demolition expert this time. So because I do want the secondary battery reload time, minus 10%, and extra heal and repair. So I think that's what I will go for. The last skill point, there won't be a last skill point. Never mind. So that's all I can afford. Well, that's all I think. Let's try this one. Not uh, exactly the best opponents. We have 2 radars. We have 2 destroyers with really good concealment. We have Kearsarge, which has aircrafts. Um, hmm. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. I guess I'm going to A with Kita. I shouldn't judge a book by its cover, and I don't see any stats and stuff like other people do since they have add-ons. Uh, but just with the setup, I do have a feeling that we might lose this one. Just to be um, honest. Yeah, also comes down to luck, and everything is situational, so we'll see. And we don't really have any battleship support at A, so this doesn't feel good. But yeah, you do have your manual secondaries, just as Prince Adalbert, of course. But to be honest, I think they just stick with automatic. Okay, so I have.
Attention, reporting the target position.
I think I have to push Jutland. Yeah, I really do. I really, really, really do. Wow, that was lucky. I think I'm gonna hide now.
Reporting the target position.
Oh, he's gonna torque.
Fire!
Yep, here we go.
Problem solved, sir. Nice work. All stations, reporting the position of a strategic... Set a smoke screen.
Oh, he used it back there. Oh, that's bad. Oh, I wanted to stay undetected.
Capture that area. The ship is on fire.
Yeah, as you can see, the fire. Okay, maybe 45 seconds, 50.
Problem solved, sir.
Hopefully, Seattle can touch me here. I'm actually gonna push him now. do feel like we have the advantage here.
That was a great battle. Thank you. Well done, Commander.
Do have that advantage over Seattle too. It doesn't have any torps, so as long as he doesn't get help, we will win this fight as well.
Capture that area.
I have to wait until I get 2 stacks there. The first one is about to go out. And now he gets help. Okay, now I'll die, but still fun, still fun.
Ship is on fire. Our victory is in sight.
Also, should have waited with my torpedoes, but oh well. See if I managed to torp, and I didn't. So at start, I said that we might lose this, but it does feel like the opposite right now. That was a good fight. Funny enough, same base experience as Kitakasa there. Yeah, I have to admit, this secondary ship thingy, yeah, they're very fun, but still a bit too easy to use. Sure, it does. You do require some skill, of course, to stay alive, but just rush in and use your secondaries automatically where you don't really do much. It's not really that fun for others, so. But yeah, it's a very strong ship. You are vulnerable to fire, but you have your long secondaries, you have your torpedoes, you have good damage with your AP if you can hit. if anyone's broadside. But yeah, a good ship. Still think it's a bit easy to use with the secondaries, but yeah. I hope you liked this video. Take care, folks. Bye bye.